subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. New Max PRO X4 smartwatch with intricate design and really cool features is here for the Indians. This will be an Amazon exclusive smartwatch that will be available to order from 18th of July 2021. The X4 has been carefully crafted to meet the expectations of the customers in these challenging times, as health has become the topmost priority of everyone. Maxima Watches has carefully taken their aspirations of millennials and Generation Z. The X4 is built with amazing style aesthetics, featuring 1.3 inches TFT IPS full-touch round active display with ultra-bright screen topping 380 nits for an enhanced viewing experience, giving it a contemporary look and feel. There will be 3 color variants introduced, with both silicone PU and mesh strap, and are priced at just $3,799, which is very affordable. The smartwatch is equipped with a Realtek chipset for high-end performance and responsive touch. It consists of an LC11 heart rate monitor to give you accurate SpO2 readings and sports a battery life of up to 15 days. Adding to it, the Max PRO X4 boasts features like 10 functional sport modes to keep one healthy, configurable watch faces, call alerts, social media notifications, amongst others. Though it isn't that expensive but has a superior build quality, the smartwatch has allowed it to provide an IP68 certification for total peace of mind. Speaking about the product, Manjit Puriwell, managing partner of Maxima Watches, said, "We are so excited to announce the launch of this latest and most advanced smartwatch in association with Amazon India. Our underlying endeavor through the development of the X4 was to build a product with truly smart functionalities, effortless style, and performance that surpasses all expectations. I am confident that we have achieved this and look forward to our exclusive introduction through Amazon. And guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.